Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to improve call quality with AI noise reduction. And you don't need to enable AI noise reduction in the settings in the application because it already worked on your earbud, and your earbud automatically use this mode when you speak with someone, or also when you record your voice. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!